actor Allu Arjun's residents in Jubilee Hills of Telangana's Hyderabad were granted bail after being produced at a city court today. As per the DCP West Zone, Hyderabad, some people holding placards in their hands suddenly rushed to the residence of Allu Arjun in Jubilee Hills and started sloganeering. Earlier, Telangana CM Revanth Reddy had stated in the assembly that the police had denied permission for any event in the Sandhya Theatre due to safety concerns. However, despite these warnings, Allu Arjun allegedly attended the premiere and conducted a roadshow at RTC X Road, which triggered the chaos. My colleague Raj Kiran has filed a ground report from Hyderabad.
कल जो अल्लू अर्जुन के घर के सामने जो हंगामा मचा था, अभी उसी घर के पास है। अल्लू अर्जुन का घर मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं, यही अल्लू अर्जुन का घर है। कल जो जेएसी के छात्र यहाँ पर आए थे, तकरीबन 8 लोग यहाँ पर आए थे, जिन्होंने यहाँ पर ही हंगामा मचाया था। यहाँ पर ही जो गमले बाहर लगे हुए थे, उस गमलों को पूरी तरह से यहाँ पर वैंडलाइज किया गया था और अंदर जाने की कोशिश जब कर रहे थे, यहाँ पर आप सिक्योरिटी पर्सन्स देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी पर्सन जो अल्लू अर्जुन के पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी पर्सन्स है, उन लोगों को रोका था और यहाँ पर बैठ के धरना प्रदर्शन करते हुए जेएसी के छात्रों को हमने देखा था। और कल किस तरह से यहाँ पर पूरा हंगामा मचा है, पूरे 6 लोगों को जिसमें पुलिस ने अभी तक गिरफ्तार किया हुआ है। उन 6 लोगों को बताया जा रहा है कि अभी सोर्सेस से हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन आया, 6 लोग जिनको पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया था इस घर के ऊपर हमला करने के मामले में, उन लोगों को अभी बेल मिल चुका है। तो पूरी तरह से यहाँ पर माहौल, यहाँ पर पुलिस हाई सिक्योरिटी यहाँ पर लगाई गई है। पुलिस कर्मियों को यहाँ पर तैनात किया गया। आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर पुलिस को यहाँ पर तैनात किया गया है और आगे भी बैरिकेड्स लगा दिए गए हैं। जो भी लोग यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, उन लोगों को चेकिंग करके अंदर भेजा जा रहा है और दोनों तरफ, लेफ्ट और राइट साइड को, दोनों तरफ पुलिस चेकिंग करके लोगों को अंदर यहाँ पर भेजते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर माहौल तो एकदम अभी शांत है। तेलंगाना के मुख्यमंत्री रेवंत रेड्डी भी ने कल एक ट्वीट किया है जिसमें बताया गया है कि अगर कोई इस तरह के हमले करते हैं, उन लोगों के ऊपर स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन लिया जाएगा। अभी तो फिलहाल अल्लू अर्जुन के घर के पास तो मामला एकदम शांत है और कल अल्लू अर्जुन के फादर अल्लू अर्जुन ने जाकर उनके लोकल जुबली हिल्स पुलिस स्टेशन में मामला दर्ज किया है, जिसके ऊपर 6 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया था और उसके बाद आज पता चल रहा है कि उनको बेल मिल गया है। कैमरा पर्सन वासिफ के साथ राज किरण।
My colleague Raj Kiran, meanwhile, has spoken with BJP's Ramchandra Rao on this big story as well.
Now we have joined with us Ramchandra Rao, sir, who is a BJP senior leader. Sir, how do you see this total attack yesterday? 6 people got arrested, but today morning they got a bail.
No, I think it has to be condemned, firstly. And who are the people who went there? Why they have gone there? They are students of university and claim to be from forming of JSC, Joint Action Committee. For what JSC? And that too attacking a movie artist house and it is almost intimidation. The government and the Congress party, I feel, the Congress party is behind it because the people who went there had a Congress connection. They have even connection with the CM's constituency. So therefore all these things, these points to go towards the Congress party and the government to attack and intimidate one movie actor family. I think the entire issue has to be taken in a different sense. The government and the Chief Minister has taken it very personally. And I think here the responsibility lies on police and the administration to have prevented, who should have prevented the stampede. But now they are trying to turn the table on a person who was not even responsible for it. He is a movie star, he will have a lot of large following. And there is a frenzy regarding the movie. And when you know that, why steps were not taken by the administration and the theatre?
So sorry to interrupt you here. Police also already said that we have not gave any permission to the Sandhya Theatre management. Allu Arjun team did not approach us, but the Sandhya Theatre management approached on the 2nd of December. We have seriously denied it, even though Allu Arjun came there.
They should have prevented him. They should have stopped him. Have they given notice to him that you don't come here? See, when we offer some dharna and all, they house arrest us. Why they didn't do in this case then?
Police says that there are thousands of people gathered there to see the Allu Arjun. So at that time, at that point out, how we cannot stop him at that.
No, there was no police arrangement. There was a very few police persons were there. That's what I am telling. There is a prior intimation is there to the police. the prior intimation to the Sandhya Theatre management. They both ought to have taken steps to prevent such stampede. Generally, in Telangana, this type of culture was not there earlier. But now the people are coming to theatre, seeing the movie star and all. So when this is the first time when the police have come to know about it, what is arrangement made by them? They should say so first. They should not try to turn the table on the other side. I don't want to say that we are taking the brief of Allu Arjun. I don't carry his brief here. But still the administration is failure because having information that he is going to come there, having information that he is a mass actor, having information that Pushpa 2 is a frenzied movie, they should have taken proper steps. And now arresting him and then chasing his family, attacking his family, his house and all, this shows something what you are able to see. Something more is there beyond it. What is that?
Sir, there is one more version of people, common public saying that everybody is talking about the Allu Arjun arrest, but nobody is talking about the woman who died in the stampede and the boy who is undergoing treatment in hospital. Still, he is in coma. The political scenario heating up here on Allu Arjun.
See, everyone in this country, we are all human being and human. We are very human actually. In fact, more than this, the government ought to have given importance to that death woman and her family. The police and the administration ought to have given them proper compensation. And the actor also must have given some compensation has to be demanded. It's a very pathetic situation where the son is struggling, he is in brain dead, now having some coma, he went to coma, mother died, and now that man, his family is a really pathetic situation. No doubt about it. But the entire scene and entire controversy has been now they have turned towards Allu Arjun. No one speaks of family, not even the government. They are only busy in arresting, providing in cases and all. What is the steps you have taken? Where is the medical treatment they are getting? What is the medical treatment which the government has given? And you ask Allu Arjun to give them proper treatment. If he doesn't, then yes, he is at fault. You have not done so. You are only trying to blame an actor. See, everyone is with family who suffered there. The boy, we pray God that he should get well. We pray God that his family should get strength from God to bear this such type of tragedy in their family. But this is not the way how you treat a film industry. Man. And the film industry, already the previous government, they defamed him on the drugs. Now this government is trying to intimidate them on the basis of their collections, on the basis of popularity, on the basis of their success in the movie. So both the BRS and the Congress party, they always have been unfriendly to the film industry. This is not good. That's what we feel.